Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice system of equations. A times b plus c is equal to 30, b times a plus c is equal to 40, and c times a plus b is equal to 50. We need to find all possible values of a, b and c. So let's start. First of all, we multiply this a by this b and this c. Then this equation will become a times b, a b, plus a times c, a c is equal to 30. We name this equation equation 1. Now we multiply this b by this a and by this c. Then this equation will become b times a, ab, plus b times c, bc is equal to 40. We name this equation equation 2. And now we multiply this c by this a and by this b. So this c times a will become ac, plus this c times b will become bc is equal to 50. We name this equation equation 3. Now we add equation 1 and 2. And from the sum of these two equations we subtract equation 3. So left hand side of equation 1 is a times b plus a times c, plus left hand side of equation 2 is a times b plus b times c, minus left hand side of equation 3 is a times c plus b times c is equal to right hand side of equation 1 is 30 plus right hand side of equation 2 is 40 minus right hand side of equation 3 is 50. Now we remove these brackets. So a times b plus a times c plus this a times b plus b times c minus this ac minus ac, and due to this minus this plus bc will become negative bc is equal to 30 plus 40 70, and 70 minus 50 20. Now this negative bc will be cancelled out with this positive bc. This negative ac will be cancelled with this positive ac, and this one time ab plus this one time ab will become 2 times ab is equal to 20. And from here we divide both sides by 2, so this 2 will be cancelled out with this 2, and we get the value of a times b is equal to 20 divided by 2, 10. Now we put this value of ab 10 in equation 1. Equation 1 is a times b plus a times c is equal to 30. This is equation 1, and in this equation we place this ab with this 10. Then this equation will become 10 plus ac is equal to 30. We move this 10 to the right hand side, then ac will be equal to 30 minus 10, and ac will be equal to 20. Now we put this value of ab 10 in equation 2. Equation 2 is ab plus bc is equal to 40. Equation 2 is a times b plus bc is equal to 40. This is equation 2. We replace this ab with this 10. Then this equation will become 10 plus bc is equal to 40. We move this 10 to the right hand side, then bc will be equal to 40 minus 10, and BC will be equal to 30. So now we have AB is equal to 10, BC is equal to 30, and AC is equal to 20. So we write these equations: A times B is equal to 10, and A times C is equal to 20, and B times C is equal to 30. Now we multiply these three equations. So AB times AC times BC is equal to 10 times 20 times 30. Now this AB times AC times BC will become A squared times B squared times C squared is equal to this 10 times 20 is 200, and 200 times 30 6,000. Now this A squared B squared C squared can be written as A B C whole squared is equal to 6,000, and from here we take a square root of both sides. So A B C whole squared, we take the square root, is equal to 6,000, we take square root, and this value is both positive and negative. Now this square will be cancelled out with this square root, and we get the value of A times B times C is equal to plus minus square root of this 6,000 can be written as 400 times 15. So the value of A times B times C is equal to plus minus square root of 400 is 20 times square root of 15. Now we rewrite these equations here. AB is equal to 10, and AC is equal to 20, and BC is equal to 30. Now A is equal to ABC divided by BC. So this will be equal to, in place of ABC we write this plus minus 20 times root 15 plus minus 20 times root 15 divided by, in place of BC we write this 30. So this 0 will be cancelled out with this 0, and we get the value of A is equal to plus minus 2 times root 15 divided by 3, and B is equal to ABC divided by AC. This is equal to, ABC is plus minus 20 times root 15 divided by AC is equal to this 20. So we write here 20 is equal to, this 20 will be cancelled out with this 20, and we get the value of B plus minus root 15. Now C is equal to ABC divided by AB, and this is equal to, ABC is plus minus 20 times root 15 divided by AB is 10. So we write here 10 is equal to, this 10 one time and 10 two times 20. So the value of C is plus minus 2 times root 15. So from here we get two pairs of solutions of A comma B comma C. First pair is value of A is 2 times root 15 over 3, and value of B is root 15, and value of C is 2 times root 15. and second pair is negative 2 times root 15 over 3, negative root 15 and negative 2 times root 15. This is the final answer of this system.